Good afternoon, everybody. At the outset, ముఖ్యంగా ఈరోజు మహిళా దినోత్సవం కాబట్టి మన మహిళా స్టాటిస్టిషియన్స్ అందరికీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఈరోజు మహిళా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఈ వెల్డెటరీ ఫంక్షన్లో మనం చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకున్నాం. Actually, the feedback given by our pillars of the organizations, ADs and ASOs, is very impressive. I feel personally the training program has given a boost to our field functionaries. Why? Because it created a confidence among the ASOs, particularly they can lead the department in right path. We planned the training program very meticulously to cover all the subjects. I hope that each area has been covered intensively, particularly agriculture, where you are supposed to handle the statistics. You are own the statistics. We happen to be the SASA, State Agricultural Statistical Authority. We are measuring the performance of the various department. I hope you might have given a proper inputs, particularly the importance of the agricultural statistics and the techniques what you are adopting in comparing the statistics. So the feedback given by the ASOs are proved that they are in a position to handle the statistics very effectively to achieve the desired goals. తర్వాత మిత్రులు చెప్తుంటే నాకేమనిపించిందంటే, అరే ఇంత ఇంటెన్సివ్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మా ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఇచ్చారా, ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ ట్రైన్డ్ టు టెల్ లైక్ దిస్. సో ఐ వాజ్ వెరీ షాక్డ్. చెప్పాను కొన్ని విషయాలు. ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ASO in his mind. So they realized the importance of statistics. What you are proposed for the training program. ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తాలూకా మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎన్లైటెడ్ అబౌట్ ది ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ సో దట్ వైల్ కలెక్టింగ్ ది స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ ఆ విషయం మనకు గుర్తొస్తుంటుంది. అరే దీనికి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఐ హ్యావ్ టు కలెక్ట్ ది వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అని చెప్పేసి. దట్ వాజ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ఆన్ ది ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎవ్రీ ASO. దట్ వాజ్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంప్రెసివ్ ఫర్ మీ. తర్వాత కొంతమంది మిత్రులు చెప్పారు, దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. Though the department has not given proper importance, still you are measuring the performance of the state. No other department measuring the performance of the state except us. We are performing the state economy. Still then, proper importance is not given to our department. That is true. But in recent scenario, everybody is talking about statistics. So, the feedback what madam I have taken from the ASOs is very impressive. And they have enlightened all the activities what they have learned from the 28 days training program. It was created among the ASOs total moral confidence. They can extract the work if it is given by the government in a right manner. They learned the skills, how to elicit the information, particularly from the various organizations. I was very much impressed. You have to use appropriate weapons to collect the data. As HOD, it is my responsibility to give appropriate weapons to collect the statistics data. Already, Statistical Act has been created with the Government of India. Everybody is supposed to furnish the information, and we can collect the information by using the Act wherever necessary. So coming to our area coverage, I already told regarding agricultural statistics. Particularly, I was very much worried about the socio-economic survey. Why? Because the survey is being conducted by us and while arriving the state economy, most of the data is being used from the socio-economic survey. The survey is purely dependent on the skills of our ASOs. Why? Because whatever the words coming from the mouth of the household being captured by us, and that is being analyzed at the headquarters to draw the various economic indicators. Say for example, say monthly per capita expenditure. So we are collecting the data, what the milk he is using. Whatever he is saying, that is depend on your skill. You have to get the valuable information from his mouth in right fashion. So you need very, very effective conversation with the primary worker so that we can generate the data at state level. So the feedback is absolutely good. Regarding most of the participants are telling you they have fully enlightened with the activities, now they're confident. But what are the inputs they required? 1 or 2% told it is necessary. It is my job to fill up all the vacant ASOS posts so that we can collect the data very effectively. And I already provided the computers, printers, and UPS also to all our ASOs so that they can handle the data very effectively with the AP scan facility. I think we have provided the pen drives also now. Yes. So all the presentations might have been copied. It will be very useful to you while going back to your mandal or district. We can, as and when find time, you can recapture the instructions given by the Directorate so that it will be helpful to you. So my friend, one friend had told that it is what I am thinking is given his message. It is very essential to give the refresh training program to all ASOs. That is true. That also brought to the notice of the government. Government is kind enough to create a training institute, APSTRI, AP Statistical Training Institute. It is going to be functioning within a couple of months, and the building is going to be constructed. It is under progress, and in the meantime we are organizing the training program with the existing infrastructure at Directorate, and I will definitely initiate this process. Every ASO shall be given training program every year in some aspects. So regarding the enlightening of the act of the to the VROs, that is true. The revenue records is the authority of the revenue department. We are collecting the statistics from the revenue department. Still then we are owning the data. Though the information collected from the revenue department, madam is very well aware of things, due to various activities being implemented by the government, the VRO is overburdened. Because of earlier the collectors, RDOs, tahsildars is very much about the Jama Bandi. I think so Jama is not all existing now. So the basic records have been not properly filled up. That is the reason we have taken a little bit initiative in collaboration with the CCLA, and we had a meeting with the headquarters also, involving the special deputy collectors and special secretary CCLA, Srimati Aruna Madam, I think so. Aruna. At that time, she has come to our department and ensured us to write the addendums on time. Still it is going on. We will ensure ourselves to see that addendums are being updated every year so that the collection data is very easy. Still then we are putting all efforts to collect valuable statistics. So at the last I can tell, my friend already mentioned my 3 words, knowledge is power, already in net. సో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద కాన్సెప్ట్ డెఫినిషన్స్ మీద పూర్తి అవగాహన ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో డిబేట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్, హౌ టు క్యాప్చర్ ది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ది క్వాలిటీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ది క్రెడిబిలిటీ, how we are able to capture the information, what are the measures, what are the sampling designs we are adapting. All the things are going in depth so that we can draw the inferences on the basis of data collected various sources. తర్వాత లాస్ట్ పాయింట్, దో we are happen to be the most of the our participants well qualified, you have to prove yourself in the office. I can say outrightly, you are the only person can handle in MR office with total efficiency. Why? Because of course there is some director with MROs will be there. Though MRO is busy with so many activities, you are the person can provide the information required for any senior officials, whether it be RDO, whether it be district collector, whether it be minister. The ASO is the only person give the information, any activity. They want to know small farmers, marginal farmers, mine irrigation, area statistics, yield statistics, industrial statistics, the existing infrastructure. The only ASO can do all activities in a single hand. So you prove yourself, you are the only, I can say, intellectual existing MRO, one of the intellectual I can say. So other things are by and large okay. I am really thankful to our director, Yapad, who has provided all the facilities to you. The gaps, if anything is there, definitely we will bridge in the next batch and try to provide very qualitative and effective training program. So already time is going to 2:30. So we are free to come to head office at any time, any other purpose. If you visit the Hyderabad and you can see the director, there is no harm at all. However, when you go back to the mandals, kindly see that what are the work pending with you, be cleared, and ensure the assets given by the Directorate is owned with you, like computer, printer, UPSC and other things. We properly make use of the equipment and provide quality of data to us. So with this, I wish you all my all statutory fraternity, wish you all the best while back to your day and resume your duty with total commitment and reinforce all the inputs what I gained in the 28 days and see that credible strategies provided to the Directorate. Thank you very much.